What's up, everybody? So today, thank you for subscribing first of all. Today I went ahead and rented the Bissell cleaner for the carpet cleaner. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean this carpet, we're going to clean the bedrooms, and I heard that this was better, the Bissell was better than the Rug Doctor because Rug Doctor doesn't clean their products, okay? Where Bissell comes to Myers and cleans them. I'm jamming to some music right now, that's why I have my Bose headphones on there. I do have a link in the description below that checks these out as well, if you guys want to see that. But we're going to test this sucker out and see how exactly it works on this carpet. Super excited. I'm not as excited as she is. She's so she's so pumped in. I want to get in here. I want to say hi. She has been, listen, this is what happened this morning. She doesn't get excited about much, okay, but when it comes to cleaning, she's like, I have to like bend down. I have to bend down like this, honey. So yeah, like let's come step back here. So yeah, so we can see my tallness compared to you. Because I'm like, hi, honey. But anyways, so the whole room is completely empty, and I'm like, what the heck is going on right now? Why is that? I mean, what is she doing? She's acting really crazy. And then I get out to the kitchen. This is what it looks like. Kitchen table gone over there. Everything out of the living room except for the couch. I can't get her up to do anything, but when it comes to cleaning, forget about it. Blinds all open this morning. As soon as I hopped out of the bed to come back into the bed, she ripped the seat. She's gone. She's ready to rip up the bed. I'm like, oh my gosh. So here we go. We're going to test this out.
Like the attention, girl, I know you. But you're everything I want in life. We're fighting danger like kung fu. The love I feel.
All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and tip this back like so. This has got the dirty water in it now, and this has got the clean water. And we're going to take this over to the sink. So what we're going to do now is this is the clean water. We're going to go ahead and undo it. And this is going to be the cap that you're going to want to use. You're going to want to fill this up with hot water. Just go ahead and do this up. We'll set this in here and let it get filled. And then we'll grab, we just have the Bissell cleaner, multi-purpose with Oxy stain fighter. When I thought capful, because I was listening to it, I thought it was this capful. I put 2 in at first, I was like, that can't be right. Then I realized they want this capful. I'm gonna pour the water out. We're gonna take this, we're gonna fill it up to that little line that's on the inside there. I like to do it while we're still mixing the water up, so it mixes all the solution up there as well. And we're about, well, you guys can't see, let me put that in there. We're about right here right now, and I got one carpet done. So one carpet, and that will be the second. That will be the second carpet for the living room that we're doing now. So right there, now we have about that much more to go. All right, so what we're gonna do is this is like this. To remove it, we're gonna go ahead and do this. We'll flip this over, and then we're just gonna dump, look at this nasty water that came out of the carpet. Whew. Now this is dirty, so we don't have to rinse this out. Just leave it just like so. Remember to go ahead and lock this back up. Now it's locked and ready to rock and roll. We have our clean water and dirty water, or dirty container for the water, set to go. I gotta rinse this down. It is dirty, hairball. Oh, there's something stuck in there. Rinse this out and move to the next carpet.
Live deep inside, the others don't matter. It's honestly us against the world. With a perfect team, tell my dream, and I just want it. I can see myself, 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 I can see myself. If you ever need a helper, you should know that I'll be there day and night. Nobody else can love you better. I'm here just to treat you right. You're the reason I'm alive. You're the only pain I can endure. And when you're not here, you're my dream, but I just want
Everybody, so now I'm gonna try to do the microfiber on this, and we put the hook up here. We already started here. It's turning out fabulous, actually, really good. And we had some stains, must have been from juice box or something. It came in here, and that all went away already. So I'm gonna hook this up and let you guys see it.
like the attention, girl, I know you. But you're everything I want in life. We're fighting danger like kung fu. The love I feel is deep inside. The others don't matter. It's honestly us against the world. We're the perfect team. You're my dream, but I just want it. If you ever need a helper, you should know that I'll be there day and night. Nobody else can love you better. I'm here just to treat you right. You're the reason I'm alive. You're the only pain I can endure. And when you're not here,